Why is interleaving effective for learning despite being hard? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces keep changing shape. It feels confusing at first, right? That's what learning with interleaving can feel like. You switch between different topics or skills during study sessions instead of focusing on just one. At first, this makes your brain work harder and can slow you down. But that's exactly why it works so well. When you switch topics often, your brain has to constantly recall different pieces of information. This process is called retrieval practice. It's like exercising a muscle. You get stronger the more you use it. Every time you switch, you're practicing pulling out the right information from memory, which makes it stick better over time. Mixing up subjects also helps you see how different ideas connect or differ. For example, if you're learning about different kinds of rocks, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, interleaving helps you notice what makes each one unique. This makes it easier to tell them apart later, especially on tricky test questions. The same idea applies to math, languages, or sports. When you practice different skills together, you learn not just the skills but also when to use each one. Interleaving also trains your brain to be flexible. When you face a new problem, you're better at figuring out which strategy to use because you've practiced switching between them. This kind of mental flexibility is super useful in real life and on tests. It helps you adapt quickly and solve problems you haven't seen before. Now, why does it feel so tough at first? Because it pushes your brain out of its comfort zone. It's normal to feel slower or less confident when you start. But that's a sign your brain is building stronger, longer-lasting memories. Over time, as you keep practicing with interleaving, you'll find yourself remembering more, understanding better, and applying what you learn more easily. From a study tips point of view, interleaving is a smart way to make your study sessions more effective. It might seem harder at first, but the extra effort leads to better results. To get started, try mixing 2 topics at a time. Once you're comfortable, add more subjects into your rotation. Keep track of your progress and notice how your problem solving and memory improve. Remember, the initial challenge is part of the process. Sticking with it will help you learn faster and perform better.